This is probably the most popular chair IKEA offers, and it is a Poang chair. And as you can see, it just comes with a simple beige cover on it with the cushion, and believe it or not, you cannot take this cover off to wash it. People have tried, and I hear all the time that it falls apart and gets ruined. So what is the solution? Well, if you buy one of my slip covers in a beautiful design print such as this one, not only can you protect your cushion and prolong the life of your chair, but you will upgrade it to suit your decor, and I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. So my covers actually feature invisible zippers, and this just really offers a streamlined look to the covers. So it's really easy. You just unzip the bottom part, and then you insert it like this, and then you simply zip up the bottom part like this. You put it on the chair like this. These feature little tabs that attach the cushion and the cover to the frame. And there you have it. So this IKEA chair is virtually unrecognizable with a custom slip cover that is removable, washable, and you can replace anytime you want to update your decor.